Only got one of my bikes left in the garage. Got rid of the Husky last night. But I do have this one here today, just in for a service. I've been servicing it for a while. It's the only one that comes to my garage still. It has just been for an MOT. Had to give it new fork seals. That was done at the MOT place. It's a bike that's kept outside. You can see the condition of it, all the salt, paint peeling and rust. This is actually a set of his old forks. Had to change because I couldn't do the fork seals on them because of the rust and the pitting. There's the other side. It's just in for a minor service. They did mention the brakes being worn and the back disc. But I'll get it all out and have a look at them. I've just seen the exhausts wobbling around. Can't see that clamp, probably doesn't turn, but it looks like half the header pipe's rotted away. Now I've measured the rear brake. It's below the limit. I don't know if you can see there's a bit of a lip on the disc as well. And new pads are needed. Just may as well do all those together. No point of putting new pads on an old disc because they'll wear to the disc. The piston's a bit of a mess on the caliper, but it does still move. Front discs are alright, they're just in the spec still. Just give the pads a clean. They look a bit better than they are. But the calipers are stuck. These are supposed to slide. Which is why the brake feels spongy. I think this side was, get in the light, I'll move. You can see that side just moving a bit, but it's pretty stiff. So I'll pull both the calipers off, see if I can get them moving. And grease the pins. And there's the pins for the caliper that did come apart still. See that rust? Even though it goes into rubber on this side, stops it moving. But this side, even though it has a rubber boot there, it just goes into metal. So they do start to corrode together. I've still got my bench grinder with a wire wheel on, so I'll put those on there, get that cleaned up better and try and get the other side off. I've managed to get the pins cleaned up a bit. They are still a bit pitted where they have been rusty. I got those on the bench grinder. Couldn't reach the bike with the grinder, so I just put the wire wheel in the drill. And I've got these looking a lot better too, but again they are just pitted. It's the other side. The pistons weren't actually too bad on these calipers. Just give them a clean, push them back. They all moved pretty freely. The pads don't look as bad when they're clean. The other side is slightly lower, but it just goes to work a couple of times a week in Newcastle, so they're okay for now. But it does need a back disc and pads. That's the calipers built up and back on. Can't see what it is, but it's just some silicone grease I use on the pins. And that's how free they should be. And the same on the other side. Just put some copper grease on the pads, put those back in. It's got the oil draining. The screws and the panels are all seized in too. I'm just going to leave those for now because it's just going to condemn the panel. And it's all smashed too already. And see what he wants to do with the brakes. It's back up and running again. Just going to check the oil. And that's all I can do for it for now, until I see what he wants to do. yesterday that was Sunday was the last day for people to confirm the jobs for October. I think I've got about 30 jobs there to do, and there's about 10 here that haven't replied. I just turned them around so you can't see the names. I'll double check the emails just in case I missed it, but I'm sure they haven't. So they'll all be going into the fire, and I'll get this route planned and start booking work in. Without trying to get any info on camera, there's the route planned. I only try and get a couple of jobs in a day when there's small ones, but it's all major services, just about. There's one bike in the front room, Bonnie behind the sofa, Grom under the stairs. I've managed to get it down to 30 days of working. So it's going to be the 1st of October till the end of the month. Although, hang on. Oh yeah, 31 days. Thought it was a short month. So it's going to be the full month of work. I've still got to sort through November's jobs, which are just here. If I can start booking work in now, hopefully get it all done before I go away. Scene change. So I had to walk back down to the garage. He's going to leave the bike repairs for now. It's more than likely going to change bike anyway and just get rid of this. So I'll get the seats back on. Print off the paperwork. Tidy my tools up. Never have liked working at the garage because I'll just leave my tools everywhere when I finish. If I go to somebody else's house, it's all packed up, clean, ready for the next time. Done. I haven't got a pen here. I'll bring it in my van when I come back down to fill the tick sheet in. There's the bike back together. It's got this I can take home when I bring the van back down. It's mostly all rubbish and boxes in boxes. It's a guitar cabinet, all guitar pedals. And go up in the roof. This is all the panels and spare parts for the DRZ. Could probably take that home, but in the front room too. So I think of a plan with the DRZ. Still got this toolbox to sort out, but that could be another day. It's boiling. I'm going back home.